anything. You hear me?
Yeah.
If I'm hollering in the background, don't look.
All right, so today we're going to the vet to get the flea and tick medicine for the cats. Yeah, it's hot today. It's, well, I don't know what the temperature is. Probably about 92, 91, 92. The breeze feels good on the bike though. Now, yesterday we ordered our new helmets. We got the Senna R1 Evo. Ordered them off Amazon. They're supposed to come in Friday. So we're excited about getting those so we can talk to each other. So the wife is behind me on her bike. We had to go get some stuff. We went and got some stuff yesterday. And we went in the vehicle in the Yukon, and it just wasn't even fun. Much more fun on the bikes. So when our new helmets come in, I'm sure we'll go on a ride Friday, test them out, see how they work. And she's always hollering, trying to tell me something I can't ever hear, so we decided to go ahead and get the helmets. They're not cheap. They were $159 a piece. So, but we could have got just the R1 helmets. They were $129 a piece. But after looking around and asking people in the bike group on Facebook, I went ahead and went with the R1 EVO. I tell you, recording all these rides, I know I put it on 1080 and record it, and the GoPro will record about 11 minutes, a little over 11-minute clips. And I'm using Adobe Premiere Rush on my iPad to edit, and I couldn't get it to, when I would bring the clip in, it wouldn't bring those clips in. I guess it was too big or something, or so I thought. And so I found out about recording looping, and what it does is it makes the clips smaller. You know how a GoPro splits the clips up, makes the clips smaller. So I was doing that, and they were about 5 minutes, about half the size, and I didn't have any problems importing those. But it got to where it was such a pain to deal with all those files, because there were so many of them. And so I figured out, well, I guess I fixed it. I guess there's a bug in the Adobe Rush app. So the other day I tried it, I recorded just regular, and it was the regular size 11-minute something clip, and I imported it, and it imported the clip just fine, no problems. And you know what I did? Well, when you create a project, you can tell it to sync to the cloud, and that's what I always had checked, but I unchecked that, and I told it not to sync to the cloud, and the clip imported. And same thing on exporting files. I tried to export it's like a 34-minute file, and I had it synced to the cloud and it wouldn't export it. And so I unchecked sync to the cloud, and it exported it. So I think that's something Adobe needs to fix. So evidently, if you don't sync it to the cloud, then you everything works fine. But other than that, the Adobe Premiere Rush app, it works pretty good. Well, they're working on something over here.
All this red stuff.
Fell a little behind, didn't you?
Well, I'm just taking my time.
Okay.
My hands are sore.
Huh?
My hands are sore.
You've been talking to the people.
Yeah.
Stop again.
Okay. Thank you. nice out on the bicycles. Road, you can't tell all the shade and the sun. Where's the big bumps at? Go, the speedometer got up to 23. That's the highest it's ever gone. Here. Oh, them are hard bumps. Hey. I may not look like it, but they are. Sorry. Oh. I don't know where he's going. Where part? Nice. Where part? Never seen one like it. Goodness. careful. Don't look back at me. Oh shit. Oh shit. That do not want to cuss very much, but that deserved a shit. Woo! Scared me. Y'all out in the middle of the road, I bet you people was cussing me. You know they were. Look at this white girl doing out here in the middle of the road on a bike. Whew. Nice. That's my mama's ring. The front door. Who's at the front door? Probably her. It was not a good place to cross. Right there. Figure out a different way. Yes. Okay, here we go. Coming up on this little bit. Sorry, get somebody. Oh, I hope they're not closed. Are they already closed? Well, it says it's open.
You want to park in the shade?
Well, I'm not going to be in there very long.
And I believe we can turn down this road and get there. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. We're coming up on the vet here pretty soon. Check out the other videos. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Enjoy the rest of the video. They shouldn't be. You don't want to park in the shade?